So next feature is generating the test scenarios, right? So same application file we have taken, our file. When you click on test scenarios and click on generate test scenarios, right? It will start generating the test scenarios similarly what we have generated in a test plan.
Okay.
So sometimes what happens, people are scary that if what happens if we give our data to this tool, will
Right.
it be publicly available or how, right? So when we go to our legal privacy policies, right? So we have our Git, and in the Git we have exposed our privacy policies. So because your application is running on your local infra, right? Right, as a local host, correct? So whatever logs it is generating, it is on your system. Second, you are using OpenAI. So whatever terms and policies are used by OpenAI, that is been applied here. If you have a private OpenAI license or any public key, whatever, right? And if you deployed your OpenAI in the Azure platform, right? So we have all the third-party services policies, whatever Microsoft Azure policies are there. So we are not taking or saving any data in terms of security measure. This is completely a secure tool.
Correct.
Okay. So when we talk about this test scenarios, correct? Just you have to click on test scenarios and again click on generate the test scenarios.
Okay.
So when you click here, it will start generating the test scenarios. Correct. So for saving the time, I already just taken the test scenarios. So when you open this, copy this, and again, let's paste here, right?
Correct.
So you can see that it have a lot of test scenarios generated. Correct. So positive valid post to Sentry envelope endpoint. So whatever endpoint it has read it, right? It have given the name of that endpoint. So this is completely working on in terms of understanding. If you see that URL have ingest Sentry and envelope, right? So it has created something like that.
Correct.
So if you can see it, everything it will give you for this positive test scenario, what are the prerequisite steps, expected outcome, API detail, validation criteria for this scenario, correct? For negative, whatever. So if we see positive, so we have 25 positive scenarios, correct, for all the endpoints here. And for negative, we have 56. So you can see a huge coverage of negative scenarios, correct?
Correct.
So testing grow features SDK production get endpoint and everything will be there, valid, invalid, with invalid query parameters of SDK features, etc. Correct?
Correct. Correct.
So you can see the huge list of scenarios it has generated, and that is in a very standard template. Correct? I think most of the companies or tools, it's taking in the same template, correct?
Correct. Right.
Prerequisite
Right.
steps, output, details, validation criteria, right? And the good part is this, it will manage and maintain the consistency. Either
Correct.
I will use this tool, either you will use this tool, right? Because the standard prompting is used behind the scene, correct?
Right.
One
Right.
need to write their other prompts and everything because prompt will change the output,
Correct.
correct?